Alrighty, what's going on today, y'all? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Wrap-Rax Single Surfboard Rack, Blocksurf, from Blocksurf. Yeah, so basically, the reason I got these, I have a Scion XB, it's basically a little toaster car. I don't have any racks that are built into the top of my car, but I do have my board, and actually I used to just keep them inside, which is cool until I got a 10-footer, and basically needed something to be able to put it on the roof, you know, because I can't fit a 10-foot board inside my car without it like hanging out the window or something crazy. So yeah, so I decided to get this, and it's really, really nice. You know, it's just very simple and great if you have a smaller car, don't want to install anything on it. So yeah, talk a little bit about these. You know, they're really built for one surfboard, I believe. You know, it says right here that you can carry 1 to 3 short boards or 2 long boards. I've actually tried it with 1 longboard and 1 short board, and it just felt really, I don't know if it was unstable. It just didn't seem like it would totally work. So I kind of opted against it. I stopped doing it. I was like, I'm just gonna, kind of stick with one when it comes to these things. You know, some people say you could stack them, but I don't know. It just, to me, it seemed like it would be better to not have them stacked. They're very, very simple to install in terms of actually putting them on your car. As you can see, you have these straps. Essentially, what you do is they come from both sides. One side, and you basically put the blocks on top of your car, put them in line with a center. So you're gonna want to have your surfboard running the entire vertical length of your car, and basically put one near the front, the other one near the back, and then you wrap the strap right under it and through your ceiling, through the window, and then over into this one. You basically just tighten it. It's able to fit really an array of different cars, shapes and sizes, so you're pretty solid there. No installation necessary, no screwing anything in, no whatever. It's very, very simple. One thing that I will say is that once you do get going with these things, you do get this loud like flapping or cracking noise. It's basically just these kind of like the tension of these kind of just shaking with the wind resistance on your car. It's totally fine. It happens with all of them. The first time it happens though, you will worry about your board flying off. I definitely did. But then you realize, yeah, it's just kind of a quirk with soft racks that are like this. And if you look on forums online, ask other people, they'll tell you the same thing. It's just one of those things that happens. I do really like the buckles on these things. They're very, very strong. They're basically made out of like a high grade aircraft aluminum, very, very sturdy buckles. And then you have your standard kind of nylon seatbelt style straps. Those are also very, very durable, very tough. Been using these surf racks for quite a while now, and I still don't have any rips, tears, frays. It's not like I really take care of them either. I kind of just throw them in the back when they're done. So they're still in really, really great condition. The pads as well are pretty tough. They're covered in the same kind of nylon material. They are foam, so and they're really, really lightweight. Really lightweight foam on the inside. They basically protect the top of your car really nicely, so you don't have to worry about, scuffing up your paint or ruining the top of your car or whatever. It's all very, very safe, which is, the one thing a lot of people worry about when installing things on the top of their cars is it going to ruin it, for life, and it's not. I can take these off, my car is back to normal. It takes like 5 minutes. Other than that, it does come with a bag as well, as you see. The bag is really nice because there are 2 of these, so you can put them together, keep them nice and safe. Close it up, and then Velcro to the top, and you're pretty much ready to go. One thing I will say is it doesn't have a handle on it, which would be nice if the bag had a handle on it, so you can carry it with it. Carry the bag with a handle, but it's not a huge deal. Yeah, if you need like a cheap alternative to real roof racks, or if you just want to put on soft racks so you don't change anything about your car or truck or whatever, then I would highly recommend these. Again, they're the Blocksurf Wrap-Rax Single Surf Rack. Yeah, check them out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.